Hello everyone, welcome to the Copy That Casting calling service tutorial. This will be for all of our calling services and their agents. So let's say you've created a login and you've been approved. So when you first log in, this is the screen you'll see. It's a basic menu at the top here, then a welcome message, and then your profile, so you can edit your personal profile. Now this profile is just for your individual account. This is not the business account, so the only people that will see this actual profile are you and your casting directors. So here is where you can put your personal name. If you have a personal phone line you'd like for the casting directors to use, other than your phone for your business, you can put that here, along with a little bit of information right here to let us know that it is a personal line and what hours it is available. That way we don't call you outside of those hours. So if it's your business phone, you can just put your business phone back here as well. It's okay. Whatever you'd like to put there is what casting directors will see. Your email here, again, that can be your personal email that you'd rather have casting directors use, or it can be the business email, whichever works better. And then you choose your service down here, whoever it is that you are with. And then from here, once your profile is done and you're connected to your company, it's going to show up everything else that is on our system that is connected to your company. So, for example, if you want to go in and manage your background actors, which I've added myself just so we can do a test and show you, you can go here and it's going to show you your background actors. Name, their photo, their email, their contact number, the calling service, which will be you, and then you can edit them or view their profile along with all the current open submissions that they have. You can also add a background actor here if you'd like to add new talent. What this does is it allows you to offer a feature to all of your actors that you can maintain their profile for them. It's just another feature, another amenity that allows you to edge out some competition, and it allows us to have more streamlined communication. We know that our calling services have much better information and pictures and are much better at knowing how to market their talent sometimes. So that's something you can offer to people who may not want to have to maintain that. So you can edit them here if they already exist. You can add a new background actor here. You'll see what happens when you go in to edit them. It's going to bring up the name, their email. You can even edit their password, so it's something that you can log in with. You can choose their picture. You can add their contact number. Of course, add you as a service. Anything on here, you can edit it. Now, if they've already got a profile going and you just want to change the picture, you can just come in here and just change the picture. So it's pretty easy. Go back to your background actors. You can view their details here. So this is where you'll see their profile as it is currently, along with any submissions that they're currently submitted for. What's convenient about this is then you can kind of edit it. So if their picture isn't good, you can decide to go in here and choose a different picture. Or you can delete the submission. Say they've said, I'm not available anymore, you can go ahead and just delete it. And what that means is it won't show up for the casting director anymore on their end, and so that they won't be considered. A lot of times what we recommend is going ahead and shooting us an email or a text letting us know if you have taken anybody off, just in case the casting director's got a lot going on and maybe hasn't looked at it. And if they have a bunch of open casting calls, I just want to make sure that we're all communicating. So if you do delete somebody from an open submission, just shoot the casting director a quick IM or an email. Then from here, you can go back to calling service agents. That covers kind of your background actors. Then there's the casting calls. Here's where you can view all the most recent ones. You can choose how many you look at. You can adjust them by union or non-union, by genders needed, by the work date, by the show name, any of it. And from in here you can view the details. So it's going to give you the entire show's details, the name, the doubling period, the work date, the job type, which is union or non-union, any genders, ages, or ethnicities needed, the basic job description, which will include how many people are working that day so that you'll know before you bring any of your people that maybe don't like big days. We also here include the basic idea of the role, if it's going to be outside or inside, and also we include any props that might be needed, umbrellas or laptops or book bags or anything like that. Here's the location, and then your casting director here so that you know who to contact if you have any questions. It's going to show any current profiles that have been submitted. It'll include their name and their calling service. That way you can see anybody of yours that have already submitted. And here's where you can add somebody. And just make sure you include your calling service there so that we have it attached to the name. And then you submit it. If you want to add more profiles, you simply reload the form and you can add more talent. You can search by casting call if you'd rather get something more specific. You can job type here, so it's only union or non-union. You can search by show name, work date, the doubling periods if you'd like to see stuff that somebody can work on within the past, 3 weeks. You can add it here. Whatever it is that you'd like to do. It's pretty easy to use. You can use any combination of these or just one, and whatever you'd like. You can search by casting director here. So it's pretty convenient. And then you can edit your business profile. So this is your public listing. This is what people see when they look at your at the calling service that you're associated with. So when you edit this, this is public. So just make sure it's your business phone that you would want background actors to use. Your email that you would want background actors to see, as well as your website. And also you can tell them how they should submit if they are interested in joining your company. Once you edit it, you can see it down here. You can kind of see how it looks. Just to give you guys an idea, let me show you how it looks to a background actor. So say I'm a background actor. This is my welcome screen. And then their calling service is right on their welcome screen. So you show up right there for them. So if they need to contact you, you're right there. It also reminds them that they have a calling service every time they log in. Then there's a screen for calling services. So they're going to see all of the current calling services that Copy That Casting currently has on file. Their phone number, their email, their website, and how new talent should submit. So this way they are looking, if there's new talent registering, they're able to kind of see right as soon as they register calling services, how to register. It's great. Hopefully that'll get you guys a couple more clients. So it's pretty basic. If you guys have any questions, please don't hesitate to contact me. You can go to Copy That Casting and go to the contact screen, and then you can let me know. Or most of you already have my personal email and phone number. I'm always open to getting IMs, emails, and texts. If you have any questions or if there's any features you'd like to see added in the future, I would love to know. Anything I can do to make this easier on you guys is great. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you had fun, and let me know if you have any problems or questions. Thanks, everybody.